Your existing phone system may have served you well, but will it help take your business to the next level? Or is it simply putting your business on hold? Upgrading to a modern cloud communication solution will help you keep up with changing workplace environments, customer expectations, and technology advancements, while keeping your costs in check. Meet Elevate, the cloud communication solution that brings together a business phone system, video conferencing, chat, business texting, file management, contact center, and much more. All in one versatile, highly reliable, secure, mobile, easy-to-use service. Not only does Elevate let your team connect how they want, where they want, and when they want, but moving to Elevate is one of the easiest and quickest ways businesses can cut cost while improving business performance. Here's how. You may think your existing phone system is free because it's paid off, but consider ongoing phone line charges, long distance fees, maintenance, parts and labor costs. All this is anything but free. With Elevate, you get one low per user cost that includes phones, long distance, collaboration services, and you keep your existing phone numbers. There are no separate maintenance, upgrade, or support costs, and the expense of keeping a separate company cell phone is gone. While traditional phone systems depreciate over time, Elevate constantly appreciates and evolves with the latest cloud innovations, like AI features and business analytics, to maximize your productivity and performance. Software upgrades are automatic, ensuring that your communication system is always up to date with the latest technology. Traditional phone systems are voice only and office only, leaving you with limited flexibility, stuck in one location. And they aren't designed to deliver better customer experiences. Elevate allows teams to connect wherever they are. It enables your customers to communicate with your business in multiple ways, including text, helping to ensure customer interactions are responsive and customer expectations are met. And with Elevate, the entire setup process takes hours, not weeks. Phones simply plug into your existing internet connection or connect to your Wi-Fi. Apps are available for Macs, PCs, and mobile phones. And adding or changing users is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. It's as simple as that. Don't let your existing phone system continue to put your business on hold. Elevate will help you communicate, collaborate, and take better care of your customers from wherever.